Hi Etsy sellers! Are you tired of guessing what's working and what's not in your shop? Do you wish you had a crystal ball where you could see all the traffic, profits, and returning customers? So today, I'm gonna introduce you Etsy Seller Dashboard, where you can see all of this data. This is not just some data, it's the roadmap to your Etsy success. I'm Kate, and as a Etsy seller myself, you might know me from Designer's Kit Co. And I understand the struggle of managing the data. That's why I'm excited to show you this dashboard. It takes all complex information from your Etsy shop and turns it into easy to understand, actionable insights. Think of it as your shop's mission control. Let's start with the heart of your business, your core data. Here you can see revenue, selling fees, profit, gross margin, and postage cost. Revenue is your total income. Selling fees is how much you are paying to Etsy. Profit is your revenue without the fees. So the gross margin is your profit without all the fees and costs. And the postage cost is the shipping prices. But for this shop that we are using as example, it is digital shop, so the postage is 0. You can also select the date range, which I think is the coolest feature in all of this, because you can, for example, it also depends on the date range that you send us, but you can track the whole years, or you can select particular months or the quarters. So this is like perfect, and all the data will adjust accordingly. Top 5 products shows the best products by the revenue, and you can also adjust it by the quantity or the lowest performing ones. This is average order value, which is showing the average customer spend. Here you can see all the orders from all the customers, and here you can see customer lifetime value, which is how much one customer spends in your shop over 2 years. Best-selling days show the days that bring the most revenue to your shop, so you can perfectly time your launches or promotions. In the sales versus discounts, you can see how much people are using your discount codes for each sale. Coupon usage is showing if your promotions are working and which of the promo code converts the best. In the new versus existing customer, you can see which month brought the most of the new customers. In the first time purchase, you can see what products are people buying as their first choice to go to your shop. It's perfect for you to know which of these are. For example, in this shop we have like 5 best sellers for the first time offers, and I really suggest for you to focus on those items, to offer them at the competitive prices, and to really focus on the listing covers and compare them to your competitors and be the best of the best, because those drive the most and the first traffic to your shop. Average order value and transaction, it shows the spending trends of your customers, and here in this shop you can see that the October, even the orders they were not highest, they probably made the most money. Like this, you can focus on the best sellers for that particular month. You can select the date range for October, and then you can more easily spot the best sellers. I'm going to show it to you how. So we are going to select October, and very easily you can right now see the top products for October. And you can see that all the data changed and gross margin was 90%, which is awesome. Sales and the quantity, this is very important for the shop that needs to keep track of their inventory, because like that you can see the conversion of your sales and the number of the orders for each month. In the sales by country, you can easily spot the states or even the cities where you are selling the most. Like that, you can plan more easily your ads or your promotions or even your launches for particular countries. In the product by revenue, you can spot how much of your total revenue each product brought. So for example, here you can see that it was like 15%, and this one it was almost 15 as well. So it's also good to create similar products to those and focus on something similar to that. Products performance, you can see all of your products, and it also allows you to sort them by quantity, shipping, or even discount. And it uploads in 5 seconds. In the shop category, you can see the summary of what you offer. In the revenue of top products, you can see for each month the seasonal trends of the best-selling products and what to focus on. In the products by revenue, you can see all of your bestsellers and how many and what was the revenue connected to that. In the product cost, you see each of your products that is included in your shop and the last price that it was sold for. In the postage cost and revenue, you can see how the shipping is affecting your profit. As mentioned before, this is digital shop, so there is no shipping. And here in the fees, you can see the summary for each month and how much did you pay to Etsy. So there you have it, a complete walkthrough of your Etsy seller interactive dashboard. This tool helps you grow smarter, not harder. And I really think there is nothing like this in the market right now that will show you visually and in one place all necessary data that will help you to grow your shop. So are you ready to transform your Etsy business? Check the description for the dashboard link. Like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more Etsy tips. Drop a comment sharing which feature you are most excited to use.